Last year we tasted these chestnut prawns at a Teochew restaurant in Singapore, and I really liked it. I did some research online, and apparently this is a vanishing Teochew dish. Our friend gave us some chestnuts, which are in season now, and we happen to have some Caul fat in the fridge, so I thought it's the perfect time to make these. Like many Teochew dishes out there, this one starts with shallot-infused lard. We start by making a puree with the chestnuts. Add the shallot-infused lard to smoothen the paste, and add 5 spice powder and salt to taste. Roll the chestnut puree into balls, and now we can start preparing the prawns.